Hey everybody, it is 1 week to tax filing day. Yes, in 1 week, April 15th, your taxes will be due. And if you're like the majority of Americans, you haven't even filed yet. So, I'm speaking to all of you procrastinators out there who are still waiting to file your taxes. There's still time for you to save yourself from some costly tax filing errors. And there's a bunch you can make, but I just want to detail the top 3 that are most common and can cost you the most money. Number 1, math errors, right? This is simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It will cost you on your tax return. Now, when you submit your tax return with these errors, the IRS will most likely catch it and they'll correct it. But that will mean a delay in your tax refund. So you don't want that to happen. Number 2, selecting the wrong filing status. There are 5 statuses that you can select from. You can file as single, head of household, married filing jointly, married filing separately, and qualifying surviving spouse. Now, each of these has their own set of guidelines and deductions that go along with them. So picking one can mean the difference between owing and getting a refund. Now, you don't want to owe the government more money than you need to. So selecting the right status is important. And then there might be 2 things that you might qualify for. For instance, you might be single, but you also might be head of household. Which one of those do you choose that will give you the best result? Talk to your tax expert about that. Now, the third one is missing out on deductions. This is a biggie. So many people are not aware of deductions that you qualify for, so you really need to talk to your tax expert about that. Better yet, educate yourself. There's a lot of information out there about deductions that are available to you. One deduction that I want to talk to my entrepreneurs about is your home office deduction. Yes, you can deduct a percentage of your mortgage or rent depending on the percentage of space that you have dedicated to your home for the purpose of running your business. Whatever that percentage is, take advantage of it. It's there for you. This is just an example of one of the deductions that people cheat themselves out on because they're either unaware or they're just too lazy to put the effort into calculating it and writing it down and getting back what's owed to you from the government. There is nothing wrong with paying ethically and morally and legally the least amount of tax that you have to pay to the government. Don't feel like you're being such a patriot or a great American if you overpay your taxes. That's not how millionaires do it. They pay as little as is legally and ethically possible. I'm not talking about cheating the government. I'm talking about paying as little as possible within the legal guidelines that the tax code allows. So, those are your big 3. I wish you all the best in your last minute filing. Try and do better again next year. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a great one.